Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix maximum number of attempts reach TikTok. Try again later. If you are guys facing this problem while logging, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting our time. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open TikTok, tap your profile, and guys, if you are using phone number, then tap here use phone number. And from guys, what you need to do, you have to try email or username to log in your account and check if it is working or not. If it is not working, then go back, open your setting and open your app management and search here for TikTok. Open this. And from here guys, what you need to do, you have to just tap on storage and cache, cache and clear storage and go back. And after this guys, force stop the app and force restart your device. And after this guys, check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then the other solution is open your TikTok, tap here, and from here guys, tap on other, wait some second, and from here guys, tap on no, tap on need more help, and from here guys, you have to just simply describe your problem and submit it. And here you can see that give you a screenshot of your problem and submit to TikTok, and they will reply you in 24 hours and your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.